Meet Mr. Shine, a factory manager. He made a promise to do everything best for his factory that helps to improve the overall productivity. For the last few months, he noticed some power issues during the daytime. Thus, he planned to buy some power adapter supplies for his help. But he didn't know the name of the top power supply manufacturer in China. He discussed this with one of his friends and heard about Shenzhen Zinreal Technology Company, Ltd. He decided to check their details before contacting them, and so he browsed www.smpspower.com and decided to contact them. Finally, he emailed info@smpspower.com and shared his requirements with them. Now he is happy with the improved productivity of his factory. Are you also planning for such power solutions? Follow the same way.